Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a subject that affects many of us, procrastination. Whether it's that report we keep putting off or that fitness routine we've been meaning to start, procrastination can significantly hinder our productivity and mental well-being. So, let's try to understand the psychology behind procrastination and look at some strategies to overcome it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here for more psychology and mental health content. Now, let's begin. Part 1. Understanding procrastination. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks or actions. While it might seem like a simple issue of time management or discipline, procrastination is deeply rooted in our psychology. At its core, it's not really about laziness, it's about avoiding discomfort. Part 2. The psychology of procrastination. According to psychologists, procrastination is a form of self-regulation failure, meaning it's a problem with managing our emotions, not our time. We procrastinate tasks that make us feel uncomfortable, anxious, or overwhelmed. We choose short-term relief over long-term benefits, a phenomenon psychologists call present bias. Part 3. The impact of procrastination. Procrastination can have various negative impacts on our lives. It can lead to stress, guilt, loss of productivity, and poor mental health. Chronic procrastination can even contribute to serious issues like job loss and poor physical health. Hence, it's crucial to address it. Part 4. The science of overcoming procrastination. Now, how can we combat procrastination? Here are a few strategies backed by psychology and science. 1. Break tasks into smaller parts. One of the main reasons we procrastinate is because the task feels overwhelming. By breaking it into smaller, manageable parts, we can reduce the perceived difficulty. 2. Use timeboxing. Allocate specific time slots for specific tasks. This can help reduce distractions and make us more committed to the task at hand. 3. Change your environment. Our environment can influence our behavior. Organize your workspace and remove distractions to foster productivity. 4. Practice mindfulness. Being present and aware can help us notice when we're procrastinating and refocus our attention on the task. 5. Seek professional help. If procrastination has become a chronic issue affecting your quality of life, consider seeking help from a psychologist or therapist. Part 5. Conclusion and key takeaways. As we conclude our discussion on procrastination, remember that understanding the root cause of procrastination, discomfort avoidance, is the first step in addressing it. It's not a sign of laziness or poor time management, but a self-regulation issue. And just as we learn to procrastinate, we can also learn to overcome it. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. That brings us to the end of our deep dive into the psychology of procrastination. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. In the future, we'll be covering more mental health topics, offering strategies and tips to enhance your well-being. Until then, take care, stay productive, and remember, the best time to start is now.